The VR world is buzzing once again, and this time, it's all about Meta's upcoming Quest 4. Leaks are pouring in, and if they're true, this could be the biggest leap in VR since the original Oculus Rift. We're talking a slimmer and lighter design, a blazing fast Snapdragon XR chipset, stunning micro-OLED 4K displays, better controllers, longer battery life, and a price tag that could shake the industry. With a rumored late 2025 release, the Meta Quest 4 might not just be a gaming headset, it could redefine mixed reality for work, play, and everything in between. Today, we're breaking down all the leaks, specs, price details, and the expected release date. So stick around, because this is one VR story you don't want to miss. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The VR industry is once again heating up, and this time the spotlight falls on Meta and its highly anticipated Meta Quest 4. For years, Meta has been pushing boundaries in the virtual reality space, offering affordable standalone headsets that make immersive gaming and productivity accessible to millions around the world. Now, leaks surrounding the Quest 4 are surfacing everywhere, and if the reports are true, this could be the biggest leap forward in VR hardware since the original Oculus Rift. This is not just about better graphics or smoother performance, it's about Meta redefining what it means to step into the virtual world. Today, we're going to dive deep into every leak, every rumor, every potential specification, the expected price, and the possible release date of the Meta Quest 4. Let's start with the design. Leaked renders and insider reports suggest that the Meta Quest 4 will come with a slimmer, lighter profile compared to the Quest 3. Comfort has always been a sticking point for VR headsets, and Meta knows that long sessions inside VR demand a lightweight form factor. The new design supposedly uses a combination of magnesium alloy and reinforced plastics, reducing overall weight while maintaining durability. The facial interface may be more breathable, using new materials that prevent overheating during intense gaming sessions. What's more, Meta could finally adopt a sleeker, futuristic look with better cable management and modular accessories, making this headset not only functional but also stylish enough to compete with Apple's Vision Pro in terms of aesthetics. But looks aside, the real magic lies in the performance. According to leaks, the Meta Quest 4 will likely be powered by a next-generation Qualcomm Snapdragon XR chipset, specifically designed for extended reality applications. This chipset could deliver nearly double the GPU performance of the Quest 3, enabling richer textures, faster frame rates, and more realistic lighting effects. Imagine playing a VR game where shadows fall naturally, reflections look lifelike, and the world feels closer to reality than ever before. Pair that with higher efficiency, and we're looking at a headset that doesn't just perform better, but also runs cooler and lasts longer on a single charge. Speaking of visuals, the display technology in the Meta Quest 4 is one of the most exciting upgrades. Rumors point to micro-OLED panels with up to 4K resolution per eye, delivering ultra-crisp visuals that reduce the dreaded screen door effect. A wider field of view, possibly up to 130 degrees, would make the virtual world feel larger and more immersive. Higher refresh rates, perhaps 120 Hz or even 144 Hz, could make motion smoother and reduce nausea for sensitive players. This is the kind of leap that could make VR finally feel indistinguishable from reality, bringing us closer to the science fiction dream of true immersion. Another huge aspect is the pass-through and mixed